Nathan is looking for a new car. He sees one that costs £16,500 when it's new. It's now worth £11,200. Calculate the percentage decrease correct to one decimal place. So the best way to do a fraction question these days is to use what's known as multipliers. So setting up the multipliers, the car originally cost £16,500, and then that will be times by some number, which we'll call the multiplier m, and it will be equal to 11,200. M we can get by 11,200 divided by 16,500, which gives 0.6787. Now, this number, note, if m is less than 1 here, then we have a percentage decrease. We were told it was a decrease. So what we need to do now to find the multiplier for the actual percentage is to do 1 minus this number, which is going to give me 0.3212. So we want the answer to one decimal place. So the percentage decrease will be, multiply this by 100 because this is a multiplier, 32.1%. Another car has dropped 25% in value. It is now worth £9,950. What was its original value correct to the nearest pound? So, again using multipliers, so a percentage decrease of 25% and a selling price of £9,950. So, let the original price be X. So, X times 1 minus 0.25, because it decreases, will be equal to the new selling price, which is 9,950. So 0.75x is equal to 9,950. So 0.75 is the multiplier for a percentage decrease of 25%. So to find x, it will be 995 divided by 0.75, which will give me 13,266.66. Now notice this figure is bigger than the selling price and we have decreased it. So correct to the nearest pound, that will be 13,267 to the nearest pound. So this has been doing questions about percentage decrease, including the reverse percentage type question using multipliers. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.